Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Kavu Creative. Today, I will teach you dotted text outline in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Select Type Tool from the Tool menu. Write the word dotted. You can use your favorite font family, font style and font size. Change its color. Align it to center from the Align panel. Right-click on it and select Create Outlines. Swap Fill to Stroke. Now, go to Stroke panel. Make stroke weight as 4 points. Check mark on dashed line. Select Round Cap. Right gap as 7 point. Align it to center from the Align panel. Now it looks cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.